Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. In IT support, a forgotten password and a server outage shouldn't be treated the same way. When every ticket lands in one giant inbox, critical issues can get buried. With smart form notifications, you can turn a simple Google form into an intelligent triage system that alerts the right people the moment a high-priority issue is reported. Let's build an escalation path. In the sidebar, create a new workflow. Under the Conditions tab, we'll define our logic. Process this workflow only if urgency level equals high. This ensures this specific automation only triggers when things are critical. Next, in the Email Template tab, set your on-call manager as the recipient. By inserting a merge tag like problem_description directly into the subject line, your engineers will know exactly what's wrong before they even open the email. Hit save, and your escalation rule is live. The result is instant. Critical failures are routed to senior staff in real time, while general inquiries stay in the standard queue. You can always verify these alerts in your execution logs to ensure 100% accountability. Protect your uptime by getting the right info to the right hands instantly. Stop reacting and start responding. Automate your IT help desk with smart form notifications today. Visit gwaddons.com to see how we help technical teams stay ahead of the curve.